Hello and welcome to another chapter of Pencil Magic. Today we're going to introduce what is called the scribble. Scribbles are one of the fundamentals in pencil magic. All our drawings and scribbles and experiments from now on will be drawn within a border or with a border. So let's do a border. Okay. Remember, the border gets drawn on the out breath in a continuous line from the bottom left, then up, then to the right, then down, then across again to bottom left. Breathe out and draw the border without lifting your pencil from the paper. In preparation for the scribbles, you can now do several pieces of paper with a border, or you can just do them as you do the scribbles. Exercise, the scribble. Scribbles are drawn on the out-breath in one continuous line. Scribbles can be small, large, medium, mad, or directed. Scribbles either cross the border or they don't. The basic scribble is one of medium size and may or may not cross the border on any given page. We will experiment purposely with various size scribbles as we go along, and for the moment we will just try to do a simple medium-size scribble. Put your pencil in the upper left area of your page. You have already drawn the border, and without taking the pencil off the paper, draw a bunch of curvy lines. Just do it all in one swoop. And we'll do it again. So that's a sort of a medium-size scribble. And let's do another one. So we do the border. And then we do the scribble, and let's do a large scribble. See how that's much larger than the other one. So medium, large. And now we will do, I'm going to half this page, do the border. We'll do a small scribble. Okay, and now we will do a mad scribble. And remember, once your out breath is done, your scribble is done, so you have to be really mad. Okay. So I touched the border a little bit. Sometimes you go over, and that's okay, don't worry about it. But you do try to stay within your... Okay, so here we go. That was the large one. And that was just a regular medium-sized scribble. And since we're only 3 minutes and 28 seconds into this one and probably have 3 minutes, it might, that might be it for today. We will, of course, do things with the scribble, but what we do is very specific. So, for the next week, just do at least one scribble a day, so that by the next week you have, at least 7 scribbles available. If you're gonna do some, I would do them between medium and large, and maybe like this, but you don't make them all the same, and definitely don't make them all just like this mad one. Okay, kind of stick with around this size and maybe like this. So at least one a day, but you can of course do more. And that is the homework till next week. Do scribbles. Adios, and I'll see you next week.